day in the life of Michael Paul. 2 days in the life of Michael Paul. Try that shit.
What's up? It's another day in the life of Michael Paul. Installation with Michael Paul, episode 2.
Why are we installing an air conditioner?
It's fucking hot out here.
It's fucking hot. These guys jokes?
No jokes. Where do pencils go on vacation?
Where?
Pennsylvania. Just your feelers? They've been touched. Got a new job today.
Oh, yeah?
Do less and see more. That's on the corner of Sycamore and No More. You want a job? Call 1-800-NO-MORE. But guess what? You ain't gonna get one because there is no more.
Do you have another story?
No stories. Shit's getting fucking hot. Time to go install. Let's do this. You gotta say hi to the camera.
Don't leave me.
You have to say hi to the camera, Sam.
No. Don't film me now.
Always in the fridge.
First, we gotta move the table. Now we gotta grab the air conditioner. Got the air conditioner. Next, we gotta open this window. Step 3, put cardboard in the window. Got any tape? It'd be really bad if we had a camera crew following us around now. Yeah.
What do you like on your pizza?
Everything.
Like what? Be more specific.
Peppers, onions, mushrooms. I like French fries and pickles. I don't really have a favorite fruit. I like pineapples, apples, and bananas. We could build a snowman. I don't really eat fruit in the fall.
You have to put more tape on. This tape is shit.
Yeah, I know.
So you have to tape the shit out of this shit. Michael Paul,
Yeah,
what kind of music do you listen to?
rap.
Michael Paul,
This tape sucks.
Michael Paul,
Yeah,
what are you good at?
driving people crazy. This tape sucks.
What kind of tape do you like to use?
Gorilla tape.
Why is that?
Why is that? Because it sticks.
Michael Paul,
Yeah. I'm not a shorts kind of guy.
I don't care how it looks as long as it gives me cold fucking air, you know what I mean?
What's your favorite food?
Mine?
Yeah.
Meat.
Break time, guys. Installation with Michael Paul, episode 2. Brought to you by Gatorade. Fierce, intense, green apple.
Thank you for calling Economart. This is Kristen. Can I help you?
Hey,
Hi.
you guys got really good tape there?
Really good tape. What do you mean?
Like Gorilla tape? Like duct tape?
Yeah, we got duct tape.
Okay, because the stuff we got now is shit.
The stuff that you took out of your truck?
Yeah.
It's not very
It's not
good.
working. What are you trying to do?
We're trying to put your pictures up.
Not with duct tape, you're not.
While you're going there.
I'm not saying no.
I think we're done here. He's done here.
Marshmallows and fucking chocolate.
Who's that?
Step 4.
more tape. Scissors, tape.
Why don't you wear a belt?
Because I don't have a belt.
Michael Paul.
Yeah.
Michael Paul.
Yeah. Gotta cut some cardboard. The next step is to plug it in and turn the damn thing on. Sounds like it's running to me. Icicles, Jeffrey. Step 1, we moved the table. Step 2, I got the air conditioner out. Step 3, I put the cardboard up, taped the air conditioner down. Step 4, went to the store and got more tape. Step 5, plugged the air conditioner in, and now I'm done. This concludes Installation with Michael Paul, episode 2. See you next week for Transporting with Michael Paul, episode 3. It's been nice hanging out in the day life of Michael Paul. Yeah? We'll catch you guys later. Okay, so I was walking down the street and there was this kid sitting on the sidewalk and he had some chocolate and he had a cat. I walked up to the kid and asked the kid what he was doing. The kid said he was training to be a truck driver. So I stood back and I watched the kid some more. I had to learn something. So the kid eats a piece of chocolate and he bites his cat. So I asked the kid again, I says, what are you doing? The kid says, well, I'm training to be a truck driver. He says, well, how are you doing that? You know what he said? He said, because I'm popping pills and eating pussy. That's what he said.
What the fuck does chocolate have to do with it?